Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the lightweighted breathable and your personal favorite, the soft Tussar material saree with a good chinna golden zari buttis in entire the body part with a contrast color combination right up at border in a digitally format. We have two color options in same designs. One is a bright royal blue color combination with a khaki color combination border part. Second one is a Fanta orange with a magenta color combination border part. We have more than 4,500 plus designs in a different category, affordable price point and premium quality. That's my guarantee. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Both device our applications are live now. Here you can see the first color options, the Fanta orange with a magenta color combination right up at border and golden zari border with a kicha slub views in entire rich pallu parts with the same magenta color combination, contrast color combination rich pallu part. The saree you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available. Here you can see the kicha slub views in entire the body parts with the chinna golden zari buttis in entire the body. Let me show you the very pretty, the attractive, the pochampalli prints in entire the blouse piece. Look at the beauty of this pochampalli prints in entire the blouse piece. This saree you received at just rupees 1150, free shipping all over India. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. Here you can see the second color option. Second color option, you receive the bright blue, royal blue color combination with a khaki color combination right up at border and same khaki color combination the slub with rich pallu part. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So, must be booked one day before on our customer care executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece, you receive the very pretty the ajrak prints in entirety, beautifully crafted, elegant contrast designs look like a masterpiece printed blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.